Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the vehicle and applying the parking brake before you change settings. Keep the engine running or set ignition to accessory mode so systems stay active. Locate the steering wheel view controls and the MMI center knob on the console. Find the car settings menu and check the current display software version for updated options. If you have your VIN noted, you can confirm feature availability. This preparation prevents interruptions and speeds up the display change process. Press the View button on the steering wheel to cycle instrument display modes until settings appears. Use the left-right toggle to highlight settings and then press OK to enter the display menu. Navigate to display or screen settings using the MMI knob or touchpad depending on your model. Select brightness, theme, or layout and adjust values with the knob or arrow keys. Confirm each change by selecting Save or Apply on screen. Exit the menu and verify the new layout on the instrument cluster. If display options are missing, check the software version and update via dealer or USB. Perform a soft reset for ghosting or dim screens by cycling the ignition or rebooting the MMI unit. If problems persist, consider a factory reset, but back up custom settings first to avoid loss. Use driver profiles to save preferred layouts and recall them quickly when a different key is used. For hardware faults such as dead pixels, contact an authorized service center for diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.